And today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on Gmail app, you will click on settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. You will enter to storage. After that you can click here clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Gmail and you will update your app as you see here in this page. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.